Hello guys, this is John from Boston Car Detailing, and in today's video I want to make an update with the Audi A1. For those who didn't see the first video, you can go into my account and you can see Audi A1, the first video. So I'm gonna turn the camera and show you this is how the car looks after removing the overspray. I did the exterior detailing, decontamination, chemical decontamination, mechanically decontamination with a clay bar. I did a single stage machine polishing. So this is how the paint looks like after a single stage machine polishing and 3 years Ewocar ceramic coating. I did as well machine polish the windows to remove the overspray, and then I apply a hydrophobic protection on all of them. I think the car looks amazing. This car is a present for my customer daughter. I did an interior valeting, just a quick wipe to get the fresh look back and keep my customers happy. I'm going to show you the engine as well. Hopefully I handle it up on with one hand. This is how the engine looks like. Okay, for those probably who they ask themselves where I'm located, I'm in Boston, Lincolnshire. Nearby big cities, I have Lincoln, I have Peterborough, I have Kings Lynn. I offer window tinting. You can see here, global window tinting. I do interior detailing, exterior detailing, machine polishing with different stages. Depends what your car needs, what is your budget, for what you use in your car. So I have from enhancement to single stage machine polishing, 2 stages machine polishing, 3 stages in multiple stages. Ceramic coating from 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, and 8 years. Thank you very much for those who watching my video. If you like the video, please like, share. You can comment if you have anything to say, good or bad. I take everything. I don't mind. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.